So this seems like a very simple video to record, and why did I do it then? Okay, so I did it practically for myself because I keep forgetting how to create a virtual environment and it is very annoying. So I thought let's finish this for once and all. So let's learn how to create a virtual environment in VS Code when we are using Python. Hi guys, in this video we are just going to set up our Visual Studio Code with the new virtual environment and see how we can use Python within VS Code. Let's get started. So for this project I will just create a new folder. So I will create a new folder called venv test. Okay, and I'll select this folder. Now we are going to create one file and we'll call this test.py. Okay, in test.py we'll have just one command, which is print hello world. Alright, so now we need to run this using Python, because this is a Python command, this is a Python file. We can click here on the play button, and by default, if you see, it will run the program and print out hello world for us. But what if we want to create a virtual environment and make sure that it runs within that virtual environment? Okay, so we can go to the internet and search how to create a virtual environment. So here I will search Python venv Windows, right? So docs.python.com, this is the first link. Let's go there. We can click here, Python packaging user guide, creating virtual environments. So we'll click here, Python packaging user guide, and here if we switch to Windows, it says that we can use this particular command to create a virtual environment. Alright, so let's go back to our VS Code. Let's expand this a little bit and let's paste that code. I'll call this environment venv and test, virtual environment test, and let's click on enter. And here, since we have already installed the Python extension in our system, it says that we've noticed a new environment has been created. Do you want to select it for the workspace folder? We'll click on yes. Okay. Now that if we go back to our file list, we see that there's a folder called venv and there are a couple of configuration files and library folders included in this. We have created this environment. Now to activate this environment, we will use the following code. The name of the environment, which in our case is venv test/scripts/activate. Okay, let's press enter. And now we see here that our environment is active. So we can see in front of our prompt, the environment name is highlighted. Now to run this file using the newly created environment, we can simply call Python and the name of our file test.py. Let's run this and we see the output hello world, right? Now to deactivate this environment, it is pretty easy. We can just type deactivate and we see that the environment prompt has been removed. Again, if we want to reactivate this environment, we just need to click the up arrow till we reach the desired command, which is environment name scripts activate. Press enter, and now we can run our program again by using Python test.py and pressing enter, which outputs our hello world. Thank you so much for watching this video, and in case you have any doubts, feel free to point them in the comments below and I'll answer them. Thanks, and do subscribe to our channel, The Tech Leverage.